Welcome. If you've ever wanted to find a specific Instagram post from your past, but scrolling endlessly just isn't an option, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to find all your Instagram post history by date, using the latest update on the Instagram app for PC. Whether you're looking to relive old memories or manage your content, these steps will help you locate any post in seconds. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen and click on the menu icon. This is your gateway to all the features you need. Next, from the menu options, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on your account. Inside Your Activity, go to the Photos and Videos section. Here, you'll see different categories, but for now, click on Posts. This will bring up a list of all the posts you've shared on your profile. Now, to narrow things down by date, look for the Sort and Filter button. Click on it, and you'll see options to organize your posts. Choose the date or date range you're interested in. This could be a specific day, a month, or even a custom range that fits your search. Once you've set your preferred date, simply click Apply. Instantly, Instagram will filter your posts and display only those that match your chosen time frame. No more endless scrolling or guessing when you posted that photo or video. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly access your entire Instagram post history by date, right from your PC. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to stay organized, reminisce, or find content for sharing or archiving. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your Instagram memories with ease.